Hey everybody, we're back here at the old sawmill shed again, getting ready to work on it again. It's actually what, December 3rd? It's like December 3rd. We haven't had much for snow this year yet. What we did have melted away. However, the sun is shining. It is cold though, it's about 20 degrees. So not too bad in the sun, but we need to get this thing put together so it'll protect our sawmill for this winter, because we're expecting some cold temperatures and some snow coming in pretty soon, next week or so. So we're gonna get that roof ready to accept some metal. Got a pile off yonder way, some good metal to put on there, and let's get this thing protected. Well, we're coming along pretty nice. As you can see, we're just about ready for this roof to accept some metal. So it's looking pretty good. We're gonna go grab some lunch probably and come back, and then we're gonna start working on this thing. Yeah, boy, it's dirty, but that's okay. Coming back. Okay. Well, we're getting ready to throw up some metal. Finally. This dirty one. Set up. There, that looks safe. Just kidding. Yeah, perfect. Okay. Let's see. I better measure this sucker first, huh? Okay. Well, we got 3 sheets up. 4 more to go. Well, there we have it, folks. At least we got some old tin on the roof, as they say. So that'll be covered. Start working on that wall, finish this wall, get her boxed in a little bit, and get some protection. Good times, good stuff. Actually warmed up a little bit today. I bet you it's at least 32. Maybe. I don't know. Anywho, well, let's see. Gosh dang it. Well, thanks for coming along today, joining us. Like, subscribe, and we'll catch you next time.